guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. What's up? Welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking on my video. So this video today is a everyday makeup tutorial or everyday makeup look. I'm just showing you guys how I do my makeup on a daily basis when it's nothing special and it's not a special occasion or anything. I don't do much and I use pretty much inexpensive things, so I thought why not show you guys what I use and how I use them and how I do it. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to press on that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, comment down below and press on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm not gonna ramble, let's get started. So basically I start first with the ordinary serum on my face. I let that dry and then I moisturize with the Clinique moisturizer. I will be linking everything down below, shades and yeah, everything, so you can click on them and you can see the shades and everything in the description box. I'm gonna be applying first the concealer. I use a MAC concealer. I love this one. It blends very fast and easy, so I just use my fingers to warm the concealer a little bit up so it blends better. So I will be just spot concealing everywhere where I see spots, and believe me, there is a lot of spots on my face now, but for a daily basis I just love this and it doesn't feel heavy or anything. So yes, I like to do this, and I'm not gonna use a foundation today because it's my everyday and I don't use foundation on a everyday basis anymore. Waking up a paradise, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna. I just decided to make this a voiceover because it was very noisy outside, and yeah. So now I'm gonna be blending all the concealer and the conceal spots that I place on my face with just a kabuki brush. This one is from Zoeva, I think, or Morphe, I don't know. I will be just linking everything down below, guys. I just make sure to, like in the creases of my nose, that it's very blended, because I noticed that if I will do this like very fast, like the blending around my nose, it will crease around my nose, and yeah, that is not a nice look. I mean, ew. Now I'm gonna go with another concealer, and this is the Born This Way concealer, and it's a lot lighter than the other one. And yeah, I will be just highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my nose, and then I will start blending that with the same brush that I use for my other concealer. And afterwards I will be using the sponge just to blend it even more. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I try to diffuse the outer edges of the concealer around my eyes first. This I'm doing because I like to wait a little bit and let my concealer dry up a little bit then it's easier to manage. I do the same with my sponge. I go on the outer edges and I just spray a little bit of Fix Plus on it to make it a little bit wet. I damped the beauty blender first so it's nice and damped, and I just sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus and just the edges, and yeah. And now that it's a little bit tacky and dried up under my eyes, I will just blend this out. I think when I do this, it helps my under eyes to crease a lot less, so that's why I do it. Then to make sure, I go ahead and grab my beauty blender again and just go over everything to make sure that everything is nice and blended, because I don't want a cakey face. So yeah, so I immediately go ahead with my loose powder, and this is from Primark. I bought it one day that I didn't have my Laura Mercier, and I'm not saying it's the same quality or anything, but it does the job, and it's only $3.50, so why not? So I use this with my damp beauty sponge. I basically do this under my eyes, on my nose, around my mouth, my chin, and my forehead. That's the places where I get the most oily. So when I'm done with my under eyes, I go ahead and bronze my face. I'm using here the Milani bronzer and a fluffy brush. I normally use a bigger one, but I couldn't find that one, so this does the job. I love it. I just do it on my cheeks. Like, I do it very high on my face, I find, but I don't know, I like the look and I think it looks more elevated. So because first I used to do my bronzer much lower on my face, and I don't think it slims my face as much as this one, this technique. So I use it on my chin, a little bit on my nose, apples of my cheeks, forehead, so yeah, everywhere that I want to bronze. Then I go in with my Maybelline palette and I use the brown color to just give my nose a little bit of shape. I use just the same brush, it's very easy, and I use this on both sides of the nose just to slim the nose a little bit and give it more definition after putting some concealer on there. So yeah, nothing too special. And under my lips I like to use this dark contouring color so my lips look much bigger and juicy. So yeah, this is a good trick. I place this under my chin to define my chin and just at the outer part of my cheekbones, just a little bit, just to give it enough depth, and that's it. So now with the angled blush brush, I use the pinky tone blush in the palette and I just apply it higher on my cheekbones as well, just on top of that bronzer. And I think this gives you a more elevated look as well, rather than placing it literally in the middle of your face, like underneath your eyes. I place a little bit on my nose as well, just to give it a little bit of color, and on my forehead I like to place a little bit of blush, and then with my finger I just apply a little bit of shimmer on my face. I don't like to use a highlighter anymore for everyday base. I'm gonna use the Fix Plus spray by MAC and just spray my whole face because my face is very dry and all the powders, I need to set them first and just hydrate my face a little bit. With a Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and my brow pomade in Ebony, I am gonna just do my eyebrows. And I don't know, I do this very quick, I think, because I don't have brows, so I need to do this every day. So yeah, I have a lot of practice in this, so I just fill in the shape of my brows, and sometimes I make them a little bit more thick than my own shape. I have a good shape in my eyebrows. The only thing is that they are a little bit bold, so I don't have as many hairs as I would love to have. So yeah, on a daily basis I don't like to use concealer to clean up my brows because I just like the natural look, and I find that if I use concealer it looks too perfect, so I just skip that part. I do that only when I'm like doing a full face of makeup, like a full beat. So then is the only times when I carve my eyebrows with a concealer. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Looking up a paradise. Now I'm just gonna add some color to my lids, and I just use my bronzer or my blush that I'm using that day. It's gonna be just the one that is nearest of me at that moment. And then I'm gonna do my wing. I also have a pretty much steady hand for my wing because I do this every day if I'm not going to work, because at work I don't use makeup, but other than that I every day, most of the time, then I put a wing on. So yes, sometimes it comes out a little bit longer, bigger, pointier. Yeah, it's just depends the mood and how it comes out. So now let's try to make the other eye the same. And oh well, as you can see here, I was struggling with my liner, so I was trying to fix it here with my fingers. I was too lazy to go stand up and pick like a Q-tip or anything, but I was like, fuck it, yeah. It is what it is. I'm gonna use my mascara. This I will repurchase and repurchase and repurchase and repurchase it over and over again. It's my Better Than Sex mascara, and I just love it. It's just amazing. I love what it does with my eyelashes. I don't use falsies because, or let me put it like this, I don't use eyelash extensions. I wish, but I don't because of work. So I have to like use a good mascara, and when I'm really going out or for dinner or something special, then I will just put on falsies. But I love my lashes just the natural way and with this mascara. So yeah, here I was trying to show you guys the difference between with mascara and with no mascara. So yeah, you know the drill. My tongue goes in and out and from side to side, and I cannot shut my mouth. I'm sorry, but yeah. So yeah guys, this is my finished look. This is my everyday base. It's just very simple and yeah, nothing too wow. Lately I've been using this brownie nudie lip luster from MAC. I just put it all around, and then I use this Zara one in the middle. So I use basically these two. This one is from MAC. This is Touch. Yes, it's a luster lipstick from MAC, and it's basically a very brown nudie color, if you can see. And because it's a luster, it's very hydrating to the lips. And on top of that, I use this Ultimate UM01 matte lipstick from Zara, and it's this color. It looks a bit disgusting because it's very warm and it's like sweating, but yeah, I use those two first, the MAC one and then the Zara one on top of it, and then I finish it up with this super affordable Catrice, I think it is, lip gloss, and it's basically just transparent, and that's it. This is my everyday makeup look, guys, and it's nothing too fancy or anything, because it's just affordable products that I have and that I have been using and that work for my skin type. And I mean, I don't wear makeup a lot anymore, so when I do, I just do a little bit. I am going to invest in a very beautiful bronzer that I saw from Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's so pretty. It's 50 euros, but it's very big. So yes, I want to buy that one. I think next week I'm gonna buy it. So yeah, those are the products that I use. I mean, I don't use anything super expensive, and I think I look good. What do you guys think? So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. So yeah guys, this was the end of the video, and I hope you like it. This is the face. Let me pinch you guys in a little bit. Yeah, this is the face. It's just a very natural looking, so it's not natural, but you know what I mean. It's not heavy or anything, and I really like this look for an everyday basis. So yes, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So till next time guys, bye bye.